It's time for Cooking with Creepsington, Episode 1, a peanut butter jelly sandwich. What you will need: knife, 2 pieces of bread, peanut butter, and jelly of any flavor. Start off by grabbing your knife. Put it in the peanut butter and get some, and then put a piece of bread. Do this 10 more times and you'll have a peanut butter. Tip: a knife has peanut butter on it. Don't lick it off because you might cut your tongue. When you're done with the knife, wash it off. Once you have your peanut butter, grab your jelly. If you have this kind of jelly, then do the following steps. But if you have, like, say, a container of jelly like this, but it's with jelly, then don't wash off your knife and just do the jelly. If you've already washed off your knife, then take it back out and do the jelly. Spread your jelly on your other piece of bread. Oh, dang it, that was bad. Crap. Why is this thing? Alright, I'm gonna have to start. Once you have your 2 slices of bread with the stuff on them, then put them together. There you go. You have a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Now put your stuff back. Tip: it's good to have a drink with you when you're eating snacks and meals. Go ahead, get a drink. I personally prefer milk. Now that you've gotten your meal and your drink prepared, it's time to eat. Take your food over to the table. This has been Cooking with Creepsington, Episode 1. Now dig in. Now that you're done with your meal, throw your plate in the trash. Rinse out your cup and put it in the sink. It's okay if you get your hands a little wet. If you have a parent's permission, then you can get snacks. Just grab a handful of Skittles. It'll all be fine. Ah, perfect. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Cooking with Creepsington. Goodbye.